Mastering everyday English. Check your receipt. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we're tackling a common phrase you might encounter in everyday situations. Check your receipt. This seemingly simple instruction holds more weight than you might think, especially in contexts like shopping, dining, or any transaction involving payment. Let's unravel its meaning, usage, and the importance of this phrase in daily communication. Check your receipt is a phrase that serves as a reminder or instruction. A receipt is a document that acknowledges the receipt of goods or services. When someone tells you to check your receipt, they're essentially advising you to look over the document provided after a purchase to ensure that all details are correct. This includes the items bought, the amount charged, and any taxes or discounts applied. Checking your receipt is crucial for several reasons. Accuracy, ensuring that you've been charged correctly for what you've purchased. Budgeting, keeping track of expenses and managing your budget effectively. Evidence, holding proof of purchase, which is necessary for returns, exchanges, or claiming warranty services. This phrase is most commonly used in retail stores. After making a purchase, you might be reminded to check your receipt before leaving. Restaurants, to verify the bill matches the ordered items. Online shopping, though not verbal, many e-commerce platforms advise checking your digital receipt for accuracy. In some cultures, being asked to check your receipt is a standard part of the purchasing process, emphasizing transparency and trust. In others, it might be seen as a suggestion to verify the integrity of the transaction. Understanding the cultural context can enhance your communication skills and adaptability. We hope this video has shed some light on the common phrase, check your receipt, and why it's a significant part of everyday transactions. Remember, it's not just about verifying a piece of paper. It's about ensuring accuracy, managing your finances, and safeguarding your consumer rights. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to exploring more interesting topics with you. Stay curious, and keep learning.